Welcome back once again to How to Cook Great Food. Another really simple, easy, but absolutely gorgeous pasta today. We're going to do chicken and zucchini or courgette, whatever you call that, in a cream, garlic and tarragon sauce. Wow, I love this. Let's go and take a look at the ingredients that we need. So let's take a look at this really easy pasta dish. So any pasta you like, you can use tagliatelle, spaghetti, penne, fusilli, up to you. Get it ready and cook there. And by the way, all of the ingredients are going to be in the text below. Chicken breast, I've got like one large chicken breast there, no skin, no bone, cut nice and thin. One onion chopped. Cream. Now this is a thick cooking cream. You can use any cream you want. It can be thin or thick, it doesn't really matter. It's going to kind of melt out within the sauce, don't worry about it. Green olives, use black if you want. I've got a few of those to give it a lovely flavour. Zucchini, so I've got two decent sized zucchinis there. Cut them into that kind of thickness. A tablespoon of Parmesan cheese, a big tablespoon there of chopped garlic, and today I'm going to be using a little bit of tarragon. I think tarragon, cream and zucchini go so well together. We're going to start this off with a touch of oil, add some salt and pepper. Let's get moving. Okay, so here we go at the cooker. A little bit of olive oil in there. You can use a different oil if you want. We're heating that up. We're going to drop in our onion. I'm using a chopped red onion today. Use white, no problem. To that straight away we're going to put in our chicken. Chicken, no skin, no bone. I'm using the breast chicken here. Nice and thin, so it cooks really nicely and quickly. We're on above medium heat. We're going to go for about 3 to 4 minutes. Wonderful stuff. And as you can see, that chicken's really changed colour to that white. We're now going to drop in that garlic. I like a nice hefty tablespoon of garlic in this one. That little bit of tarragon, which I think is really a wonderful, wonderful, underrated herb actually. Let's get those olives in there. Then I'm going to hit this with a little bit of salt, a little bit of black pepper. Now we can drop in our zucchini or courgette, whatever you call that, or cuso even. Now I've cut this into rounds. You could be cutting this into any shapes that you want. We're going to go for about another 4 to 5 minutes, staying on this above medium heat and moving it from time to time. This is looking absolutely wonderful. Okay, time for the cream. And like I say, you can use thick or thin cream. I usually get lots and lots of emails about this. In the UK we say double cream, which means that. Single cream, which means a runny type of thing. I know in America you call it a different thing, like a half and half and stuff like that. But yeah, any cream will work. Fabulous. That little bit of grated Parmesan, about a tablespoon there. Look at that. Delicious, delicious. Okay, I'm now going to drop in our cooked pasta of choice. I'm just going to change spoon. 2 minutes, throwing this around, getting that lovely creamy tarragon garlicky sauce onto our pasta. This is wonderful. I'll see you at the table in 2 minutes. And there you go, super, super easy. Chicken, cream, zucchini, tarragon, garlic sauce. I am in love. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Leave us a message, say hi, we like to hear from you. Give us a thumbs up, lots of love.